The Wild Flower on the Sea. That is me, Hoàng Hà Vi. Currently, I am a 12th grader studying at Hoàng Lê Kha High School for the Gifted. So, what will I bring you today? Let's find out. First, to warm up, let me show you some really interesting things. These are the photos of my family. As you can see, this is my dad, my mom, my siblings, my grandmother, and my grandfather. Yes, that is my family. I believe that in life, having a family is a kind of happiness. Life has so many challenges and obstacles. However, with family members besides, everything is much easier, and we have more motivation and encouragement to overcome all of them. I remember there is a really famous saying that having somewhere to go is home, having someone to love is family, and having both is a blessing. However, in life, sometimes we cannot avoid the conflicts with our parents or our siblings. So, if you are frustrated with them, if you want to argue with them, if you want to fight with them, or if you want to ignore them, this book is for you. So today, I would love to bring you all a really famous book that preoccupies my mind all the time. It is Without Family of Hector Mallet. This is an 1878 novel written by a French author who is Hector Mallet. He is also eminent worldwide. And in French, its name is Sans Famine. Sans Famine has become so popular and inspiring that it was translated into a lot of languages. And besides, it was also made into big screen films with a lot of versions coming from over 10 nations worldwide. And even Hector Mallet himself was also awarded the Grand Prize for Literature of the French Academy. And wait, it is year 2021 now, right? So it means this book has been 143 years old. So what makes it so special until now? Let's together figure it out. So in Sans Famine, Hector Mallet wrote about Remy, a British boy who was born in a really well-off aristocratic family. And unfortunately, Remy's father passed away soon even when he was not born, leaving all of his legacy to his son. However, poor Remy, his greedy uncle didn't want him to receive all of that legacy. He wanted to keep all of the fortune. Therefore, he decided to pay for the kidnapper to take Remy to a poor village in faraway France. He believed that if Remy died, he could keep all of the possessions. He could possess all of the money. But the magic happened. Remy didn't die. He was adopted by a kind woman named Barberine who loved him to her heart's content, but unfortunately, her husband didn't. He worked as a bricklayer in Paris, and one time he got into an accident. So he decided to exchange Remy for the money to get the treatment, but Mr. Barberine didn't agree. When they were arguing, Remy overheard and he discovered that Miss Barberine was not his real mother. He was so painful and disheartened. And after all, Remy was sold for an old traveling artist whose name is Vitalis, who changed his life. So Remy and Vitalis, they together with one monkey and two other dogs, traveled around the whole of France and conducted a lot of extraordinary musical performances. And during that journey, Vitalis not only was Remy's father, mother, but also a teacher. Vitalis taught Remy a lot of things. For example, the alphabet, the life lessons, and even their behaviors in life. And I remember that Vitalis also taught Remy the invaluable things about determination and self-discipline. There is a saying of Vitalis that I also remember until now. You are at the lowest of the society, but if you are determined, you will move on to a higher step. That saying also creates the motivation and stimulation for me when I encounter the challenges on these days. And actually, life is not always beautiful. At that time, a 9-year-old boy named Rami had to confront a lot of challenges, obstacles in his life. He had to witness the death of the 3 animals. He even had to overcome the pain when his teacher Vitalis passed away. He had to do everything on his own, and he had to deal with starvation, making money, being stuck in the well for various nights, and he even was put into jail for illogical reasons. So Rami could have died, but he never gave up. He stood up strongly, he overcame all the difficulties, and finally, he found his real mother, and after all the painful days, he could live peacefully and meaningfully. His story of life has also become a meaningful and inspirational inspirational source for the children at that time. So, surely, Rami and Vitalis and Hector Mallet had taught me a lot of things. So, hidden in Song Famine are a lot of values about determination and family and also friends. First is the lesson about determination. Rami really teaches me a lot of things about his self-discipline and his perseverance. Rami really gives me more courage, determination, and also the strength to overcome all of the matters and the obstacles in my life. I know that I'm not perfect. I know that my life had so many problems to deal with, but I believe that from Rami, the most effective, the best way to solve all of them is to keep a positive mind and to take more and more efforts. Everything will be better. And the second lesson that I consider the most important one is about family. Surely, at home, my mother cooks the meals for me, my mother takes care of me, my father teaches me to study, my siblings play with me. I have a really perfect family, and I have so many memorable things with them. But Rami had nothing. Rami didn't have father or mother besides. Rami had to face up with a lot of things in his life, with no family members besides. So from that story, I also appreciate my family members more. I also appreciate what I am having more, and I promise to myself that I will nurture the love and nurture the relationships with my family members. So I want to ask you a question again. Until now, after what I have mentioned, are you still angry with your family members? And how long have you not called your family and told them that you love them? So I suggest that you should pick up your phone and call them now. Surely they will be really happy. So Song Famine of Hector Mallet is really worth reading. It is an inspirational novel that will not waste your time. So if you have the chance, you should try reading it. I bet that Song Famine of Hector Mallet not only gives you a lot of invaluable lessons, the moral lessons, but also brightens your life, makes your day, and also spread love. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for viewing my video among a lot of videos out there. See you!